As a result of continued force main construction, the City of Valdosta is encouraging motorists who travel Gornto Road to seek a temporary alternate route. Installation of the force main under a portion of Gornto Road adjacent to the YMCA began this morning and is expected to be completed by Friday, August 28, barring any weather delays. Work will be performed daily from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday through Saturday. Traffic on Gornto Road will be reduced to one lane between the railroad tracks and the main entrance of the YMCA. After 5 p.m. each day, the street will reopen to two-way traffic. Motorists are urged to take an alternate route during the construction. Motorists who must travel this portion of Gornto Road should allow for additional travel time to account for expected travel delays. For more information, contact the Utilities Department at 229-259-3592 or visit www.valdostacity.com/utilities.